A very good morning to all of you children and welcome to my class. So, who is ready for the class? All of you ready? Wonderful, very good. And children, now you are big children, so you have to learn all the sounds, all the numbers very carefully. Yes? You have to learn how to write, how to sing the song of all the sounds, and you should know all the vocabulary words of the sounds. Yes, children? Okay, now let's start our class. Okay, so children, we are learning phonics. Yes? We are learning sounds and before starting the class, we will take a quick recap of all the sounds. Okay. So here is your book and we will take a look from starting. Okay. The first sound is, can you tell me children, what is the first sound is? This is a sound. Yes, this is a sound. A for alligator. A for aquarium. Yes. A apple. And now can you tell me children, what comes after a sound? This is B. B sound. And children, you have to say with me, you have to repeat all the sounds. Okay. Say B. B for banana. B, bell. Okay, so this is B sound. And after B sound comes K. This is K sound. K for cake. Cake. And after K sound comes, this is D. D for doll. Doll. D, drum. Yes, so this is D sound. And after D sound comes A. This is A sound. Yes, F for elephant. F for, this is elephant. Okay. And after A sound, children, comes sound. Which sound is this? Say with me. Yes? Flower. And children, what ma'am is teaching you sounds only. Okay, आपको A, B, C, D नहीं सीखना है. Okay, ma'am is saying sounds, so you have to say also sounds. This is sound. And after sound comes, which sound is this children? G. Grapes. Grapes. Okay. And after G sound comes H. Hip. Hen. Hen. Yes. And after her sound comes I. I for ink pot. Ink pot. Okay. Now, after I sound comes J. Which sound is this, children? J. J for jeep. Jeep. Yes. And after ch sound, we have learned this is also k sound. Yes, and I have already told you that this is also k sound, and this is also k sound. Okay, इसको भी k sound बोलेंगे हम. And this is also k sound, but this k sound has different vocabularies. K, cake, k, cap, k, cup, k, car, k, comb, and this k sound has different vocabularies. K, kitchen, k, kitchen, k, kite, k, key, k, kiwi. Yes, and yesterday we have learned after k sound, this is, which sound is this? Sound. Like a lollipop. So this is sound. Okay. And what are the vocabularies of sound? Here you can see this is ladybug. 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 And ladybug is an insect. Yes, like spider and caterpillar, mosquito, honeybee. So like them, ladybug also an insect. Now for log. Log. Log, a big piece of a big tree. Okay, means जो big tree होता है उसका जो मोटा एक stem होता है, big stem, thick stem होता है, उसका एक big piece, and that is called log. For log. Okay. And all of you know for lion. Yes, and lion is wild animal. Yes, lion lives in the jungle. Lion. And for lamb. Lamb. Lamb, you know, lamb is the baby of a sheep. Yes, lamb किसे कहते हैं? Sheep के बेबी को for lamb बोलते हैं. Okay, and I am sure that all can you tell me that this is for lollipop. For lollipop. And yesterday we have made for lollipop with Play-Doh. Yes, colorful. It was very nice. Yes. So this is for lollipop. We lick a lollipop. We lick a lollipop. Yes. So this is for lollipop. And can you tell me what is this? This is lamp. Lamp, जिसमें हम बल्ब लगाते हैं and we switch on the switch and lights दिखती हैं. Yes, lights जिसमें हम जलाते हैं, बल्ब लगाते हैं. So it is called for lamp. Okay, so children, these are the vocabulary words of L sound. Now we will color in L for lobster, lamb and luggage. Lobster is a water animal. लॉबस्टर जो है एक वाटर एनिमल होता है. ये वाटर में, सी, ओशंस में मिलता है. ओके. एंड लैम्ब, यू नो, शीप्स बेबी कॉल्ड लैम्ब. शीप का जो बेबी होता है उसको लैम्ब कहते हैं. एंड लगेज, all the bags when we pack our clothes for going out, so we pack our clothes in luggage. Bags जो होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं luggage. So we will color all these sounds pictures. So be ready with your alphabet small letters book and your color. Okay children, now we will color in lobster. L for lobster, and I have told you this is a water animal. Okay, I am taking brown color, so I am coloring brown in lobster. You also have to do brown color like this. And children, you can do red color also. Okay, lobster में आप red color भी कर सकते हैं and brown color भी कर सकते हैं. Okay, this is very easy children. And children, color very carefully. Do the color in the picture only. Okay. So the lobster, brown color lobster this is, and now I am taking blue color for water bubbles. These are some water bubbles because lobster lives in the water. Yes? So this is L for lobster. Now here you can see the lamb. Okay, sheep's baby called lamb. Children, you can do black color in the lamb also because sheep white color की भी होती हैं and sheep's black color की भी होती हैं. Yes, so we can do black color in the sheep. Okay children, so sheeps can be white or sheep can be black color. So lamb, sheep's baby lamb can be white or can be black. We cannot do white color in the lamb, so we will do black color. Okay, do the black color here only, not in the face. So do light black color in the sheep like this. Do nicely. And in the ears you can do skin color. Okay, so this is L for lamb. Okay, so now come to the luggage. This is L for luggage, and I have told you luggage, big bags. Okay, when we go out and when we pack our clothes, so we pack our clothes in big bags called luggage. So we can do any color. colorful bag. Bags can be brown, black, orange, pink, red, yellow, blue. So I am doing in this bag orange color like this. And now I am taking blue color for this luggage bag. This is blue color in other luggage. And for this bag I am taking red color. Okay, so children, this is L for luggage, L for lamb, L for lobster. So children, now this is your turn now. Please do the coloring very neatly and nicely and send me your work on time. Everyone, please send me your work on time. Okay, I am waiting for your work. So children, keep learning all the vocabulary words of L sound and its song also. So children, we will meet again tomorrow. Okay. So till then, take care and bye-bye.